Madeleine cakes are small sponge cakes that have a distinct shell shape on the front and a characteristic bump on the back. Madeleine cakes are very light and are made in a certain shell-shaped pan. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. Melt the unsalted butter in the microwave or on the stove and set aside to cool. This butter will be added to the mixture later. In a large bowl, add granulated sugar, brown sugar, and room temperature eggs. I suggest using a stand mixer because you will be mixing these ingredients for about 8 minutes on a high speed. The mixture will be thick and pale in color. You will know when it is finished when the mixture forms ribbons when you lift the whisk attachment. Add in the vanilla extract and lemon zest and mix for about 30 seconds on low. The lemon zest is totally optional but adds a nice light lemon flavor to these cakes. The rest of the mixing will be done by hand so you can put your mixer away. In a medium-sized bowl, sift all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt together and sift until these ingredients are combined. Sifting the flour will help break up any lumps in the flour to produce light and airy cakes. Add half the flour mixture to the egg mixture. Gently fold in the flour mixture. Make sure you handle the batter with care since it's very delicate. Gently fold in the remaining flour. Add in the melted butter that was set aside earlier to the batter. Fold the butter into the mixture until it is well combined. It will take some time to incorporate all of the butter into the mixture. The batter should be thick, silky, and shiny. Cover the mixture with saran wrap and chill for 30 minutes to 1 hour in the refrigerator. Try not to let the mixture chill for longer than 1 hour since the butter in the mixture will harden and affect the texture of the madeleines. While the mixture is chilling, melt a small amount of unsalted butter and brush it into the scallop madeleine pan you will be using. If you don't have a brush, you can also use cooking spray too. Scoop about 1 tablespoon of batter and place it into each spot on the madeleine pan. As these bake, the batter will evenly spread out in the pan. Place the pan in a 350-degree preheated oven and bake for about 10 minutes. You will know when these are done when the edges are a light golden brown and the back forms a small bump that will rise back up when pressed. Transfer the madeleines to a cooling rack. to eat these rather quickly as they will dry out in about 2 days. You can eat these plain or top with powdered sugar or even dip in chocolate. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.